Guys, we've got a TTR50 here. We've changed the spark plug before, but something's going on with it. We don't know what it is. We're gonna see if you guys know what it might be. Give us some feedback. Let us know what you think about this. It just happened right now. It was not doing this a second ago. We were just gonna start it and ride it around, and it was supposed to be completely normal. But go ahead and start it. Now this is what's happening. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a bunch of smoke. I don't know if it's blown burnt rings or a bad top end or a valve leaking or what it is, but it's really puffing smoke right now. Like that. It doesn't sound like it's bad. Seems to be sounding pretty normal. Go ahead and give it a little gas and see what it looks like.
Go away.
Is it clearing out?
Yeah.
Try it again. Well, guys, leave a comment in the comment box. Tell us what you think it is, or we're going to try to fix it and diagnose it.
Doesn't smell good.
So, it smells like oil really bad. Let us know what you think, and we're going to go off based off your comments on how to try to fix this little TTR50.
I
Thanks.
wonder what the inside of the baffle looks like.